Are you excited for S.W.A.T. Sick, another picture, to replace Blue Bloods in the 10 p.m. contact ET slot on Fridays as the second half of S.W.A.T. Eighth season is set to take over Blue Bloods time slot in January. It's hard not to feel a mix of emotions. On one hand, it's great that the series will continue, but on the other, it's concerning for S.W.A.T. Is future, considering its previous instability, despite CBS not confirming the renewal of S.W.A.T. As ninth season yet, concerns are rising as the series headed by Shamar Moore could face cancellation like Blue Bloods did after having a dedicated fan base of cancellations after just 8 seasons. S.W.A.T. Has faced the risk of early conclusions before, and its character storylines suggest a promising continuation beyond season 8. However, the show's ratings may be hinting at an uncertain future. All of those future have